Mastering idiomatic expressions. Dance circles around. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing idiomatic expression: dance circles around. This phrase is not only colorful but also packs a punch in conveying a specific meaning. Stick around as we break down its origins, meanings, and how you can use it effectively in your own conversations. Dance circles around is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where one person or thing is significantly better or more skilled than another. The imagery it evokes is of someone dancing with such agility and finesse that they metaphorically create circles around their less skilled counterpart. It's a way to highlight superiority in skill, performance, or ability. The origins of this phrase are somewhat nebulous, as with many idiomatic expressions, but it likely stems from the literal idea of someone dancing so energetically and skillfully that it puts others to shame. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe not just physical prowess but superiority in virtually any context, from intellectual debates to sports. When you use dance circles around in a sentence, you're drawing a vivid picture of dominance or excellence. For example, the veteran chess player danced circles around his novice opponent, clearly indicates a match where the veteran is far superior. Let's see how this phrase can be applied in various contexts. In academics, in the field of quantum physics, she dances circles around her peers, with numerous published papers and groundbreaking research. In sports, the star athlete danced circles around the defense, scoring the winning goal effortlessly. In business, this startup has danced circles around the competition with its innovative technology and customer service. These examples show the versatility of the phrase, making it applicable in numerous situations where someone is outperforming others significantly. Now that you understand what dance circles around means, try to use it in your daily conversations or writing. Remember, idiomatic expressions can add color and depth to your language, making your communication more engaging and expressive. Try to come up with your own sentences or maybe even a short story that incorporates this phrase. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of the phrase, dance circles around. We hope this video not only enriches your understanding of English idiomatic expressions but also inspires you to incorporate them into your language repertoire. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to dance circles around the complexities of the English language. See you in our next video.